UUID stands for Universal Unique Identifier. Every entity, starting from files, folders, and digital entity, contains UUID. In this video, I will show you 3 simple methods to generate UUID in Bash. So let's get started. In method 1, I will show you how to use the uuidgen command to generate random UUID. So let's see how it works. So for this method, I will create a script named randomuuid.sh. Here I will use the nano command. Now the nano text editor pops up, so I will edit my script over here, starting with the shebang line as usual. Now I will define a variable UUID, which will be set to a command substitution of the uuidgen command. For this, I will use $sign and parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, I will write the command UUID. Then space, and I will give the option R. Now I will just print to the output using echo, and here I will write and to access the variable, I'll use $sign, then write the name of the variable, which is UUID. Now my script is complete, so I'll save using Ctrl S, exit using Ctrl X. Now it's time to execute the script. So I'll first provide the executable file permission. Now I'll execute the script. As you can see, it gives a random generated UUID. If I run it again, it will give another random UUID. Every time the UUID generated is random and unique. Now I will talk about the second method where I will generate time-based UUID in Bash. So let's see how it works. So for this method, I will create a script timeuuid.sh. Here I'll use the nano command. Now I'll edit my script. So I'll start with the shebang line as usual. Now I'll define the variable UUID, which will be set to a command substitution of the uuidgen command with the option T. This I'll write $sign, this, and inside the parenthesis. Now I'll write the print statement to show the output. To access the variable, I'll use the $sign and the name of the variable, which will perform a variable expansion. Now my script is complete, so I'll save it using Ctrl S and exit using Ctrl X. Now it's time to execute the script. So first I'll provide the executable file permission using the chmod command. Now I'll execute the script. As you can see, it generates a time-based UUID. Each time it will be different. In method 3, I will show you how to generate hash-based UUID in Bash. Let's see how it works. For this method, I will create a script named hashid.sh. I mean hashuuid.sh. Now I'll edit my script. Start with the shebang line. I'll write an echo statement to print the UUID, the terminal. Over here, I'll write the command. I will use different options with the uuidgen command to generate the UUID using the hash algorithm. First option is -m, which stands for the method that is used to combine namespace with a name to generate UUID. Then I will give the option -N, which will tell what namespace are we using. Here we are using the website name. The name will be @URL. It is complete. Save it using Ctrl S, it using Ctrl X. Now it's time to execute the script. So first I'll provide the executable file permission. Now I'll execute the script. We can see it generates a UUID using the hash algorithm. If I run it again, it will generate the same UUID because we have provided the namespace and the name to be specific. It will generate the UUID using those values. So this was all for this video. If you want to know further, please refer to the article provided in the description below. Also, the script files will be given in the description to be downloaded. Thank you for watching.